How to speed up audio without changing the pitch in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up the Capcut application on your device and then select any of the projects that you want over here to add on the sound or the audio. So after selecting the project, you can tap on the add audio option over here, which you can see below the video. Tap on add audio. For here, we are going for any of the sounds that are provided by the Capcut application itself. So I'm gonna select very randomly. So let's select this one. So after selecting the audio, what you can do is tap on the audio itself, and after tapping on the audio, you can see different options at the menu bar at the bottom of the screen. Now just swipe it and you can see the option of speed. Tap on speed and then you can change the speed of the audio wherever you want. If you want it faster, then you can go to the right, and if you want it to be slower, then you can go to the left and swipe it there. So if I want it to be fast, then you can see the audio that has been sped up. Now if you do not want to keep the pitch, you can tap on the keep pitch option, which is changing the pitch. Now if you do not make a tick mark on the keep pitch, then you'll have the same pitch and your pitch will not be changed in the audio even if you have sped up. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.